next. There we go. Let go. Don't let go. Pull it. Right
Pull
here.
it, mija. Oh.
Bro fell off.
Hey, there we go.
Okay. Let's flip it over. And can you get the back side? Pull. Pull. Pull it, Lily. Good job. Pull. Pull it some more. Good job. What? There you go. And you don't eat the paper. No, no, no. No, no, no.
Hey, baby. What did you get? Open it.
The penguin. What'd you get? Oh, wow. How cute. It's a reindeer. You like it? He loves it. Thank you, Dad. Okay, and she's kind of set it down. And next, she's starting to understand this part. Alright. This one's a little bit different. You have to pull it out. Ready? Ready? Pull out the paper. Put out the paper.
It looks like she actually knows what she's doing.
I know.
Let me put it. Oh, wow. You broke it already, Lily. Oh.
Oh my. You like it? Do you like it? Let's hear your horse noise. Trina, did you hear that cat? Oh wow, look at her. Good job, Trina.
Murdered Santa.
She already killed
Trina.
the snowman.
That's not what you're supposed to do to the snowman.
That's a bad idea getting that.
Where's your noise, Viv?
I can't do it anymore.
You look like a rooster. And you smell like 1, 2. So, Boo, what did you get for Christmas?
Say that when I'm whooping you on Pinhead Spirit.
You can't do nothing.
I whooped you last
Just hold up that box. Show the world what you got, Craig.
I got the new nuclear weaponized atomic bomb.
Nice.
And I'm gonna go blow up the entire world, Craig.
Wow.
Why are you trying to ruin our Christmas movie?
No, I got the new.
Now the Secret Service busts in and...
No, I'm kidding. I got the new Xbox with the Kinect, and
And we can do so many more activities. So many more.
this is blowing my mind. Put Iron Man, do a and I've just been.
And there's our 20-foot tree. It's about 27 feet tall.
I've just been
That's
looking
all
through
of our
everything.
crap.
I'm gonna watch you.
Hi, mamas. Merry Christmas, little bird.
Hi, mummies. Show me your watch, dude.
I did.
Your sick watch.
Blow! What time is it? Who cares? Just look at the watch. It's rhino time. Yeah. We got some of these here. Got a little bit of these. Yeah, buddy. Work it. Work it. Steady. Steady.
Had to get my shoes too.
Mm-hmm.
Got me some polos.
Got some polos. Black on white.
Black on white.
With the 20 stamp on the bottom.
And Feliz Navidad.